Morning to everyone. I am Krishika of grade 2. Today we are celebrating Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, our Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Our national flag has three colors: saffron, white and green. The Ashoka Chakra in the middle shows truth and honesty. We remember our freedom fighters who worked hard for our country. We should love our country and be good citizens. Let us promise to keep our country clean, safe and strong. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you for your